Welcome to YCAD Wonders. This is Ganesh from Bangalore. Okay, in the last video we saw the concept of ratio and how it can be expressed and used to compare quantities. And also we saw a few examples involving ratios. Okay, as we saw, the ratio between two numbers can be expressed as a fraction. See, for example, 3:2. So when we express as a fraction, it becomes 3/2. See, we know, 3/2 is equal to 6/4, which is equal to 30/20 or 15/10. See, because they are equivalent fractions, because the value of fraction doesn't change if the numerator and denominator are multiplied or divided by the same number. So here we have multiplied, if you multiply numerator and denominator by 2, you get this, multiply by 10, we get this, multiply by 5, we get this. Okay, same way, the ratio doesn't change, isn't it? So therefore, the ratio doesn't change if the terms of the ratios are multiplied or divided by the same number, because 3:3:2 is same as 6:4 or 30:20 or 15:10. Okay, if we multiply, see, each term of this by 5, we get this. So if we divide each term of this by 5, we get this. And also the terms of the ratio are of same units. See, for example, if you want to say how to write the ratio between say 30 centimeter and 1.5 meters. See, your units are different, correct? So we cannot write the ratio as 30:1.5, it's wrong, because the units are different. So first we need to convert them to same units. Either we need to convert 30 centimeter to meters or 1.5 meters to centimeters. Okay, if we convert this to centimeters, what do you get? So we need to multiply by 100, so it becomes 150. So 150 centimeter. So it's so how to express this as a ratio? See, 30 is to 150 or 30 by 150. Let's simplify this. 0 and 3 by 15 is 1 by 5 or 1 is to 5. So ratio between these two lengths, 330 centimeter or 1.5 meters, is 1 is to 5. So again, because units are same, no ratio has no units, because this centimeter, these are centimeter, so can cancel them. And similarly, suppose I want to find a ratio between 2 times. Let's say same, say 30 minutes and say 1.5 hours. So when here the units are different, so if you convert this to minutes, 1.5 hours, that means 1.5 hours means what? 0.5 is off, so 1.5 hours is 1.5 hours, okay, which is 90 minutes. So its ratio is 30. Now they are both are same units. 30 is to 90, which is equal to 3 is to 9. I will simplify further. We get 1 is to 3. So that's the ratio. Yeah, so to write as ratio, you should be familiar with the conversions of units. Say 1 meter, so 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters, and 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter, and this is about the length, and about the weight. 1 kg is 1000 gram, and 1 gram is 1000 milligram. Similarly, 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. And there is something called kiloliter. 1 kiloliter is 1000 liters. Okay, and then we saw the our time, the one, as we know, 1 hour is 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, and 1 day, 24 hours, and 1 week, 7 days. Okay, 1 dozen is 12 units, one score is 20 units. But again, ratio, terms of the ratio can be fraction also. So for example, 3:4. Okay, this can be written as 3/4:1. If you divide each term by 4, this is what you will get. Or divide each term by 2, then it will be 3/2:2. So all three represent the same ratio. So how to convert, suppose some ratio with fractional terms, how to convert to the whole numbers. For example, okay, 3/4:2, so 5/6. So how to, so write this with the whole number terms. So it's simple. So multiply each term by the LCM of denominators. So denominators are 4 and 6. So what's the LCM of 4 and 6? It's 12. So multiply each term by 12. So then it becomes, so it's 3/4 into 12. So this ratio is equal to 3/4 into 12 is to 5/6 into 12. So now this 3 times, 2 times. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 is to 10. So therefore this one 3/4 is to 5/6 is equal to 9 is to 10. Okay, now let's solve some problems based on ratios. So just like equal fractions are called equivalent fractions, so equal ratios are called equivalent ratios. Okay, let's say in a class, okay, there are okay, let's talk about so increase or decrease. Okay, let's say cost of let's say last week the cost of say 1 kg of tomato was 20 rupees. Okay, this week so it has increased to 25 rupees. So how to express this as a ratio? So how can we say? So we can say the cost has increased in the ratio (20:25), or in the simplest form 4:5. Divide each term by 5, this is what you will get, 4:5. So here, so we need to say cost has increased in the ratio 4:5. So remember, when we say increase, so always first one represents the original price, original value. Okay. So second one, new value. So when we say there's an increase in price, obviously second term should be greater than the first one, isn't it? Then only there's an increase. Suppose it's 5:4, then we can only say price of tomato has decreased in the ratio 5:4. Okay, so definitely 5:4 means there's a decrease, 4:5 there's an increase. So first one represents the original value, second one represents the new value. So suppose suppose asked in a different way, let's say price of tomato should decrease in the ratio 5:4. Okay, and the new price is 20 rupees. So find the original price or old price. So how to find the original price from the information? So what is given is the ratio of the decrease. Okay, price has decreased in the ratio 5:4 and the new price is 20. So as we saw in the last video, we can take the original price as 5x and the new price as 4x. Okay, then so it's given new price is 20, so let's equate that. So what's the new price here in terms of x? New price is 4x, so which means 4x is equal to 20, which means x is equal to 20 by 4 equal to 5. Okay, so now we can find the original price. What's the original price? It's 5x. Okay, so therefore original price equal to 5x, 5 into 5, so rupees 25. Similarly, suppose a person has got the weight reduced in the ratio, so 7:5. and the original original weight is let's say 63 kg. So what's the new weight? So after reduction, so in this case, since the ratio is 7:5, you can take the original weight as 7x and the new weight or final weight is 5x, but its given original weight is 63 kg, which means 7x equal to 63, which means x is equal to 63 by 9. So it's 63 by 7, which is 9. So now we know the value of x, we can find the new weight. So new weight is what? 5x. So that means the weight after reduction or the reduced weight or final weight is 5 into 9, so 45 kg. That means if a person got the weight reduced in the ratio 7:5 and the original, so that means in this case original weight is 63, that means the weight they got reduced to 45 kg if it's in the reduction is in the ratio, if the reduction is in the ratio 7:5. Sometimes in the ratio will be asked to divide certain value in certain ratio. Let's say we were asked to divide the rupees so 300 in the ratio 7:8, let's say 7:8. So how to divide this in the ratio 7:8? So as usual we can take that means we need to divide this into two parts. In the ratio 7:8, which means we can take the first part as 7x and the second part 8x. So then how to proceed further? So what else? What's the other information that we have? So we know, total is 300 rupees, correct? So which means 7x plus 8x equal to 300. Okay, which means 15x equal to 300, which implies x is equal to 300 by 15, which is 20. Okay, so since we know the value of x now, we can find the value of both the parts. See, first part is 7x, 7 into 20, that's rupees 140. Second part is 8x, 8 into 2, so 160. Okay, that means, so the two parts are 140 rupees and 160 rupees. Yeah, so this will give a total of 300 rupees. So, so that means what, if you divide 300 okay, among say two persons, A and B, in the ratio 7:8, then A will get 140 rupees and B will get 160 rupees. Hope it's clear. Let's see more in our next video. Thank you.